Are you thinking about doing a few updates in your home, but not sure which ones might pay you back when you get ready to sell? Well, here's a couple of things that you might want to consider. The best rooms to renovate are the kitchen, the primary bedroom and bath, and the main living area. But don't forget to spruce up the outdoor area too. So let's start with the kitchen. If you don't have granite, buyers want granite. It would be well worth your money to go ahead and update these countertops. Add a backsplash. If the backsplash is a little bit out of budget, consider a stick-on backsplash. They do make some really nice ones you can find at Lowe's or Home Depot these days, and they're very budget conscious. So if you have out-of-date light fixtures or faucets, these are good things to update in the kitchen. This will really give you a little bit of additional light and make it shine. So if you're considering upgrading appliances, don't do just one. Either update them all or none. If you update just one appliance, it adds years to the look of the other ones. So if you don't have to update the appliances, just give them a good clean and shine. If you need to update though, go with stainless and update them all. So moving on to the primary bedroom and bath, make sure the paint color is neutral. This is really important throughout the whole house. And now you can do a do-it-yourself paint job if it looks professional. But if you don't have the patience for a nice, smooth paint job, you need to hire a pro. What about the flooring? If it's in good condition, don't update. But if it's worn out, carpet and stained, it's time to upgrade. Consider an LVP flooring. It's a very popular type of flooring now, but make sure it matches the rest of the house. If it isn't practical to do LVP flooring, then just upgrade to a really nice neutral carpet. Change out outdated lighting. In the master bath, add a little bit of glamour, updated fixtures and faucets, make sure the flooring is in good condition, and just really, really clean. And back to the neutral wall color, which is so important. What about your main living area? Does the flooring need updating? Always make sure if you're going to update floors that they are uniform throughout the house. Mismatched flooring can be costly for you when it comes to selling a home. For the main rooms, your best money is spent on neutral paint colors and updating the lighting maybe. One of your biggest bangs for your buck is the entryway and the curb appeal. This doesn't have to be costly. Maybe just take out some dead shrubs, add a nice good bit of mulch, clean out your gutters, clean up and possibly even paint the front door. Now, I hope this is helpful information. And if you've made some updates that really gave you a boosted value, let me know what your best updates were. Message me below.